Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Citigroup's third quarter 2024 earnings call in under 3 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways, so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. Citigroup reported net income of $3.2 billion for Q3, translating to earnings per share of $1.51. The bank achieved a return on tangible common equity, ROTCE, of 7%, with revenues growing 3% excluding divestitures. Each of Citi's core businesses delivered growth and positive operating leverage. Looking at specific divisions, Services had a standout quarter with revenue up 8%, marking a record performance. Treasury and Trade Solutions grew 4%, while Security Services jumped an impressive 24%. The Markets division saw mixed results. Equities revenue surged 32%, but fixed income declined 6%. Banking revenues showed strong momentum, up 16% year-over-year, with investment banking fees increasing by 44%. This growth was primarily driven by debt capital markets and advisory services. The Wealth Management division also performed well, with revenues up 9% and client investment assets growing by 24%. In terms of expense management, Citigroup reduced overall expenses by 2% while continuing to invest in its transformation initiatives. The bank maintains a strong capital position with a CET1 ratio of 13.7%. Looking ahead, CEO Jane Fraser emphasized the bank's progress in its transformation journey, highlighting improvements in risk management and operational efficiency. The bank also announced an innovative $25 billion private credit partnership with Apollo, expanding its lending capabilities without using its balance sheet. Regarding future outlook, Citigroup expects NII, net interest income, to be flat in Q4 2024 compared to Q3 and slightly down for the full year, though this is better than previous guidance. The bank remains committed to its medium-term targets and continues to focus on expense management and operational efficiency. The Mexican consumer business separation, known as Banamex, is progressing well and is expected to complete its separation in Q4 2024 with an IPO plan for late 2025, subject to market conditions. That wraps up our recap of Citigroup's third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.